Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can redeem your Epic Games gift card online. In order to redeem or use your Epic Games gift card, first thing you need to make sure that you are connected to an internet service and then open up any web browser. As for this video, I'm using Google Chrome. Once you open up your web browser, right on top, type in the link that is www.epicgames.com. After that, you'll be directed to the official site, and in the top right corner, click on the sign in button and sign in into your account. You'll be able to see multiple ways to sign in into your account, so select the correct method of signing in. After you're logged in or signed into your account, in the top right corner, click on your profile icon, and as soon as you click on it, a drop down menu appears, and from the list, click on redeem code, and then you'll be taken to the page where you need to provide in the details of your card in order to redeem it or in order to use it. So you can see right in between there is the field where you have to enter in the number that will be located on the card or on the email that you received your redeem code, and once you enter in the code, click on redeem, and after that you've successfully redeemed or used your Epic Games gift card online. So in this way you can redeem your gift card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.